Ghrelin is a 28 amino acid peptide hormone. It has a short half-life and travels freely in blood plasma. The majority of circulating ghrelin is synthesized and secreted by the stomach. Small amounts are released in the small intestine, pancreas and brain. Ghrelin increases hunger sensation and therefore affects a person's food intake, which is why it has the name the hunger hormone. Ghrelin is produced in the X cells of the stomach. It is then released in the bloodstream and targets the hypothalamus in the brain, which causes a hunger response. It also targets the stomach itself to increase gastric acid and gastric motility. The production of ghrelin is induced by hunger, hyperglycemia or low blood sugar, or from low body weight. It is inhibited with stomach distension, so if your stomach is full, it will stop producing more ghrelin. Ghrelin is a potent stimulator of growth hormone secretion and is known to enhance feeding and weight gain and to regulate energy homeostasis following administration. Ghrelin also interacts with cortisol and the cardiovascular system. So what other hormones interact or work alongside ghrelin? In the brain, ghrelin stimulates hunger. In the anterior pituitary gland, it stimulates growth hormone secretion. In the heart, it increases cardiac output. In the liver, it increases gluconeogenesis. In the pancreas, it decreases insulin. Ghrelin increases blood glucose levels by reducing glucose-stimulated insulin secretion, insulin sensitivity, and inducing glucagon secretion. After eating, blood glucose is high, so the body releases the hormone insulin. Insulin tells the hypothalamus you are full. Insulin decreases blood glucose levels by storing glucose as glycogen. Leptin also helps inhibit hunger and can be induced by insulin. After eating a fatty meal, leptin is released into the bloodstream. Leptin is stored in adipose tissue or white adipose cells. Ghrelin is the first messenger. It travels in the blood to reach the target organs where it attaches to the cell membrane's ghrelin receptors or the GHSRs. It's a type of G protein coupled receptor or GPCR. Ghrelin has different signaling systems. Cyclic AMP or CAMP is where G protein directly activates amplified enzyme adenylase catalase, AC. AC produces CAMP from ATP. CAMP activates the PKA or the protein kinase A. PKA phosphorylates numerous target proteins. This ends in a cellular response, in this case, the control of energy homeostasis. IP3 and DAG. G protein directly activates amplified enzymes PLC, the phosphorylase C. PLC produces IP3 and DAG. IP3 releases the intracellular calcium stores. The DAG is a signaling molecule that activates the PKC, increasing phosphorylation. A combination of increased calcium levels and phosphorylation equals a cellular response, in this case, growth hormone release from the pituitary gland. AMPK is also a signaling pathway, which affects messages to the hypothalamus about our food intake.